Before introducing ATS Inspect, we carried out a paper-based system that was very time-consuming. As our product family increased, we found that this became more and more laborious, and as we were carrying out 100% inspection, this was in the arena of 1,600 to 1,700 products a day. ATS worked very closely with TrueLife, creating a bespoke software solution to our inspection process dilemma. ATS Inspect is a very intuitive product, and we found that it's perfectly suited for the input of data on the production floor.
ATS Inspect is helping many medical device companies such as TrueLife improve their quality levels. With the introduction of new technologies such as additive manufacturing and vision systems, the 3D element associated with Inspect is helping further enhance these quality levels.
One of the unforeseen advantages was that our engineering team could spend more time fixing issues than collecting data. The increased response time has enabled us to identify the root cause of production issues quickly, which in turn has helped us to reduce our scrap levels. Our yield also increased, which gave us a return on investment for under 1 year. With ATS Inspect, we have real-time information available to us across our network anytime, anywhere.